Hello my dear students. So today in this session I shall give you the topic of the project. Okay. So I think all of you came to know that your theory will be of 90 marks and you have to explain and you have to write you have to submit some kind of topics on regarding some kind of project, so which will be included in the project report, and I shall give you some of the very important topics, and that things it will carry 10 marks. Okay, so today in this session I just want to give you some of the very important topics, and I shall give you all these things in the PDF format in our WhatsApp group also. Is it clear? So first of all, you just note it down: the migration, its impact on the Assam context. Is it clear? Migration, comma, its impact on the Assam context. Okay, this will be number 1 point. And number 2, you just write down the environmental impact on Northeast. Okay, suppose you have to mention there the environmental degradation. Okay, write down environmental degradation, its impact on Northeast. This will be your number 2. Number 3, write down you just note it down that agriculture and its allied activities with special reference to Assam context. Agriculture and its allied activities with special reference to Assam context. Is it clear now? So you see, any one topic you have to write as your project report. Is it clear? So these 3 points I will give you in our WhatsApp group also, so that you can write down very clearly. And you say you have to prepare this report in A4 size paper. Is it clear? And you have to write with your own handwriting. Okay, you have to buy this stick file. You have to put it the A4 size papers on the stick files, and on the front page of the project you can use some kind of DTP format also, or some kind of some sketch also. You can write with your your some kind of, you can use your creativity also, but all the writings you have to write with your own, means with your own handwriting. Okay, you can't use that kind of DTP format. Yes, that typing format you can't use. Only the front page you can do all that creativities. Is it clear? And at least minimum the pages of the project should be minimum 20 pages. Is it clear? Or 15 to 20 pages, minimum to 15 to 20 pages. Is it clear? And less than 15 to 20 pages I shall not take, or the marks can be deducted. Yes, and the overall it will carry 10 marks. That means you don't have such kind of practical exams of your advanced geography in class 9, but in spite of that practical exam you have to submit that project report. Is it clear? And the writing of the project format, you have to write down the introduction, acknowledgement, certificate, then contents, then the presentation part, then conclusion and bibliography. I shall give you all these things in our WhatsApp group. I shall give you all the format, in which format you have to write. I shall give you all the things, but in this video session I just want to clear all these things. Is it clear? And you can use maps, you can use some kind of very reliable diagrams, statistics. Is it clear? Suppose now migration, its impact, so you have to write down the migration and its impact for for last 10 years. You can write some kind of statistical data you can write down there, and you can use some kind of graphs, some kind of bar diagram, pie diagram, well showing all that reliable data and informations, all these things. And agriculture and allied activities, you can use some kind of map also in some context. That means in which district, what type of agriculture and its allied activities are they are quite highly in demand. As we know now, allied activities means what that means agriculture and related with that. Suppose animal husbandry, we can say, as we are already discussing all these things, isn't it, in our classes, in our last previous sessions already we are discussing now. And pisciculture we can write dairy farming. All these are some kind of allied activities with agriculture. Is it clear? Because now these things are very in great demand in present day context. Okay, so all you have to write, and in which format you have to write I will give you in our WhatsApp group. And but one more thing, just use only black pen. Okay, you some students, what they used to do, they used to while they will start by writing all that that points in blue pen, and at the middle they again use the black pen, the red pen. No, this will be not accepted. Yes, I shall reject. Fine. So only use the black pen. Yes, black ball pen, or you can write gel pen. Put the margins on the four boundaries of the A4 size paper. Put properly the margins and topics, and then only you have to write. Is it clear? And while drawing the diagrams, don't draw the diagrams in a very congested way, only in the single paper. You can use in one paper one diagram, one paper one statistical data, one paper one bar diagram, pie diagram, whatever it will be required as per your that project topic. Is it clear? And I have given 3 topics. Any one topic you have to write as your project report. Okay, and as I told you, all other format, all these topics again I shall give you in our WhatsApp group. Okay, geography WhatsApp group, I shall give you all these things. And one more thing, don't use that red pen. Yes, you can use sketch pens while doing some kind of diagrams or watercolor. Use your creativity. Is it clear? Because you are getting now much more time, so use your creativity, but don't use that red pen. Okay, red pen, that means it will quite it will demarcate as some kind of that mistakes. Is it clear? Because while drawing the that in the geography practical, we don't use the red pen, red, particularly the red color. Yes, so but why in spite of red, you can use vermilion, you can use some kind of pink, you can use some kind of rani pink, that things. Is it clear? And while and you can use this, as I told you, you can print out that for that front page of your project report. You can print, you can do some kind of DTPs, you can do some kind of creative works also. But and later on, all you have to write with your own handwriting. Don't if anybody will submit their project report with in a DTP format, then I shall reject. Is it clear? And 10 marks, so be very careful. You have to give your 100% input, so that the output will it will come in a very attractive way, and 10 marks. And so be very careful. Is it clear? So geography practical means, or geography project work means what? The more you do the creativity, the more it will be much more attractive, much more beautiful, the more you can secure the marks. Is it clear? Fine. So I think all you have got some kind of some kind of ideas or some kind of concept regarding this project report. And this project report you have to submit when the school will reopen. From September onwards, our school is going to open, and at the middle of that time, I shall give you some definite time, and by that time you have to submit to me. Is it clear? You can submit to me, and you can submit to you all of you submit to me only. Okay, and I shall give you that time, and this will be added in your final exam. Okay, this 10 marks will be added for in your board exam. And one more thing, that already we are going to complete our that syllabus. Only one chapter has been left out, that is industry, and agriculture only very little points are quite left out, and industry, that chapter only left out. And after that we can do some kind of revisions also. We can do some kind of that problem solutions from the our question bank also, as already I have given you lots of questions, and most of you have submitted me and quite well. And I have got your that answer script also, and most of you are writing quite good. I am quite impressed. I shall not mention now the names, but while giving the returning the copies, I shall give you the respective marks in our group. And this much is, I think, quite enough for this session. So all of you just do one thing, that today today onwards I shall give you that topics in our WhatsApp group, and all of you just start to make the project. Okay, and be very careful. The project will carry 10 marks, so 10 marks means is a huge mark. Is it clear? So don't think that no, by some by that very little, giving some kind of very little effort, I just want to submit, so I'm just submitting to ma'am, it's okay, no matter. No, this will be not, just don't think all these things. Okay, but because 10 marks, for 10 marks you have to write a very good contents you have to write. Okay, and if there will be some kind of problems, you have not understood any topics, or if you want to write down that how will you start that, the topic of that project regarding all that matters, you can just ask to me. Is it clear now? So this much I think is enough for this session. Thank you so much.